chocolate milk. Tell me what you think.
Oh, you made it? It's homemade? Oh, that's actually really good.
So you like my recipe?
Yes.
All right, thank you. All right, so what do y'all think of my homemade almond chocolate milk?
It's awesome. I really like that.
It actually doesn't suck.
I don't like milk.
It doesn't suck.
Yeah, that's good.
All right. You all would.
I would drink that again.
You try the recipe?
So you literally made homemade almond milk.
Yeah. I made squeezed almond milk. I take a cheesecloth, squeeze it.
Yeah, I want that. That's awesome.
Dates. Little bit of sea salt.
Yes. Really? Wow.
And a little bit of cocoa
I was
powder.
thinking you were talking like almond and like some chocolate syrup.
Yeah, I would do it.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, I would do that. That's good.
Today we're making chocolate milk.
Almond chocolate milk, right, Chef Trinity? We need 3 dates, don't we? How simple and yummy this is.
And also we got
A couple ice cubes, sea salt, cacao. It's our chocolate powder. Now, this almond milk is very special to us because we make it homemade, don't we, Trinity? And we've got the homemade almond recipe on our YouTube channel, so check it out. It's so yummy and delightful. So it's with a simple 4 ingredients. We've got 3 dates, a few pinches of sea salt, a couple ice cubes, 2 cups of what? Our homemade almond milk or store-bought, and then a good tablespoon of cacao powder. So, Trinity, let's go ahead and put the 2. Yeah, we like to keep fruit on hand for great snacks. So, Trinity, go ahead and put the 2 ice cubes in the blender. We simply put all ingredients in the blender. Yep, you can put it in the milk and then toss it all in the blender. You go, girl. Good job. Woo-hoo. All right, and then we'll continue with the rest of the ingredients. All right, we got all of our ingredients in, right, Chef Trinity, in the blender, and we're gonna put it on high power. And guys, it is so yummy, and it gets frothy and creamy. So good. What do you think? Woohoo! You guys will love this. How easy it really is. We put that blender on high until everything sounded blended. And guys, take a look. Let them take a look too. Yummy! So good. Look how frothy. It's just amazing. Rich and chocolatey and frothy. Incredible. So just put it on the high blender with all the ingredients and enjoy your cup of amazing chocolate almond milk. Is it a 5-star rating, Chef Trinity? Yeah, we love it. Put it in the refrigerator and enjoy it for about it's good for about 5 to 7 days. Enjoy your homemade almond chocolate milk, and we will see you at the next healthy video.